What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to search specifically for Shopify stores on Google search. So if I go to Google search, for example, and I'm searching for Shopify stores that sell clothing, let's say I want to buy clothing from Shopify stores, not any other stores or stores created by Shopify. If I search for clothing, I will get all kinds of websites that are selling clothing. However, to specifically search for Shopify stores, I need to use a site operator. So on Google, you can use operators such as this one. So if I type in site, then 2 dots, and the subdomain of Shopify store is myshopify.com. So this is the site operator. So basically it means that I'm saying to Google, search only for websites that are used on Shopify. Now I need to add a space here. I need to add a keyword. So let's say I want to search for websites on Shopify or Shopify stores that are selling clothing. So I need to add the keywords such as clothing. And now I've set up my operator site.myshopify.com, which is basically telling Google that I need to search for results only on Shopify. And then the keyword is clothing. Now hit enter. And now you will get all the stores or Shopify stores that are selling clothing. Of course, you can specify it even more. So let's say gym clothing. Okay, hit enter. And now I'll get all the gym or fitness shops that are using or are selling products on Shopify.